Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of AJ Imports. Today we're working on a 2013 Toyota Corolla. We're changing all 4 struts, front and back. So first step is obviously jack the car up, take the wheels off. So once the wheel is off, I'm going to show you the process of how to change your strut. Basically this here is a 17, this is a 22, and this one back here is a 14. To get this off, there's a chance you may need pliers to hold the back of it from spinning if the gun is unable to take it off. Underneath here, there's 14s. There's 3 14s. Most people are saying you have to take off this cowl in order to take out the struts. You don't have to do that. Basically, you just push this clip in, push down like that, and then you just lift it up. What that does is give you enough clearance to just lift the whole thing up. So by doing that, I'll give you enough room to throw a 14 underneath there. What I do is I start at the top, just grab a 14, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Basically, I'm just loosening everything up, so I'll make sure there's no surprises. So once that's off, we come down here and I just start with taking off this ABS sensor plug. That's a 14. Next I go to the sway bar link. That's a 17. And as I said, it's spinning, so this is what I do. You just pry the spacing behind the bracket and just hit it with the gun again. That's where I grab that little metal ring. Just hold it secure, and then you can hit it with a gun. It'll prevent it from spinning. This clip holds the ABS sensor wire in place, so just basically pop right here in between it and just wiggle it off. Okay, so with that out of the way. With that out of the way, we'll just start with these. These are 22s. And I should probably use a wrench, but this is fine enough just to hold it, because since we're taking off from the nut, this is where all the torque is. So this is just basically just to hold the screw and prevent it from spinning. Sorry. So with the nut off, just apply a little bit of pressure to get the screw out. Okay. There you go. Just have everything resting. Now I just gotta go on top and take out those 3 14s. What I use is a ratcheting wrench. Makes it a lot faster and easier. I normally leave the one in the front for last and just work on the hard ones. So, like I said, we'll just leave this first one in the front, leave it for last. It's easier to work since it's easy to get to. While you're taking that one off, you gotta actually be down here to support the strut so it doesn't fall. So this is the strut assembly we picked up. As always, just compare it to make sure it is the right one you put it on. These do not come lube, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little bit of grease in there just to make sure that we don't have any squeaking in future. So as you can see, the front is open, so I'm gonna lube this section up. But there's this little rubber cap that you can take off the old one in order to put it onto the new one to cover up that space. This is the grease I'll be using, multi-purpose grease. So that's what it looks like. I just filled it up to make sure, you know, sometimes more is better and not enough. So there you go. Just gonna pop off that cover, and then once the cover is off, slap it on, then install the strut. Okay, so since that is done, now we just gotta reinstall the strut. This has a certain orientation, just gotta play with it. It's supposed to go up into that hole. If you can have second pair of hand, it would be very helpful, but I'm doing it by myself. Up, just open at the top and slide it in, just like that. So with the strut and everything installed, you just start lifting up the knuckle assembly and just put the screws in, and get a new glove if you need it. So once it's on, know the drill. Just put the 20 screws on and just tighten it up. So that's how you change the strut. Just don't forget, you gotta put everything back. Put the 12 and the 17. This one, just finagle it down. There you go.